So today, this is gonna be like the quickest, most fast video ever. We just had our little date night, me and honey. Hello. Thought I would share with you guys my date night outfit. Date night outfit here. We're rocking the boots. We've got on the boots there. Nice little sweater. Nice little dress here underneath. It's a dress with some tights because, you know, we ain't trying to show it all. Like a core purse and just light makeup. So we went to Red Lobster to eat. I got the feast, of course. Allergens, Corona streets. We have Red Lobster here. Get ready to partake of some food because it's date night. And I haven't had a date night for quite some time. So. This is what we're having for dinner. Of course, this is the second time this week I've been to Red Lobster. Well, the first time I ordered out, second time I went in. COVID's running wild and rampant, as we all know, but there was probably about maybe 4 or 5 couples in there. It wasn't crowded at all, so we chose to go ahead and go in. But outfit of the day. I think I'll insert some clips so you can actually see it because I had some cute boots on. I took the boots off since now, but cute little belt there. Nice little necklace there. Okay. All right, just simple outfit of the day. But I'm here because, you guys, I'm excited. For the first time, I actually went with a subscription. Yep, I got a subscription and I thought I would share it with you guys. Scentbox, okay? Now, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of this before. This is not a sponsored video. Again, and I say, this is not a sponsored video, okay? Scentbox have not sent me nothing for free. Or any of that, or coupon codes or nothing. I paid for this out of my pocket. So let's just clarify that and we'll move on. All right, so the reason I love it and I decided to finally go ahead and give it a go is because I'm not gonna lie, I'm a sucker for a cute container. There it is right there. I'm a sucker for a cute container, and I saw a girl open up the sprayer like this on one of her channels, and I was hooked. I said, now, I'm always looking for a perfume. I've probably smelled over a good 500 in the last 4 or 5 months. As you guys know, if you've checked out some of my other hauls, you know I've been buying a whole bunch of perfumes. I see my Joan Balone boxes behind me. I've been buying it all, okay? Especially for Christmas. I bought some for some of my loved ones as well. So I would love to go ahead and just try them out before I actually purchase a big bottle. So this is a great way to do that. So if you are looking into, you know, really kind of expanding your perfume and or cologne collection, okay, go with Scentbox, because I think I got the premium package, which I think is $29.99 a month. For that, you get to pick 2 of the premium perfumes for each month for the 12 months of the year. $19.99 or $9.99, I think is one, something like that. Okay, check on their website to figure all that out. But so the first one I got is Dior. I don't know if it's Addiction or Dior Addict. It says Dior Addict, but I'm not sure if it's you know, supplementing that for addiction. I don't know. And then the other one is Miss Dior. That was Miss Dior. Now let me show you why I love these so much. Aside from it's super cute when it goes up and down like that. Here's the other part I love. Did you see that? Yep, came all the way out the tube. So I absolutely love the fact that it not only comes out, it unscrews. So you can reuse the bottle. You guys, what do I always say? Repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of your life. This is a way of doing it. This is a way. And look at the comparison too. So this is the size of perfume they give you when you buy like a perfume at a, say, Macy's, Nordstrom's, whatever, and they'll give you a little sample of something else. This is the size. Because for a long time, I thought that some of these subscription boxes were giving you sample sizes, right? So here is the size. I took it out to do the comparison. So here is the comparison of the two, so that you can get a better look at what you're getting, okay? And again, you get a new one each month. I've already picked the ones I'm getting for the next, I'd say the next 3 months. They're already in the bag, okay? This one, Dior, Miss Dior, it smells so good. I actually bought my daughter this for Christmas. And then Dior Addict, I don't know if it's, again, I don't know if it stands for addiction or addict, but this one smells more florally. This is more of a floral scent, okay? I like it, but I like this one better. So now I know that if I go to the store and I have to pick between these two, I'm gonna pick this one. This one, not so much. Even my husband, he smelled it. He's like, I'm not really feeling that one. It's okay. It's nice if you like floral, but I'm really not a floral person. I'm like a fruity person, fruits and berries. You know what I mean? Okay. So anyhow, so these are the two that I got, and I love them again because you get to reuse the containers. Okay, I can put my body oils in there. I can put more perfume that I make, because you guys know I do make some of my own perfume and body oils and body butters and all that jazz. So yes, and that's the little box it came in, and it got here relatively quick. They mail it out in the beginning of the month, around the 7th, from what I saw on my packaging. Okay, so I just thought I would share that little info with you guys, just in case you were looking to get into a subscription and maybe you were kind of on the fence about if you wanted to go with a perfume or a shoe or a purse or whatever. I just wanted to implore you and encourage you to maybe try the perfume, because, you know, again, I'm always in the perfume aisle smelling 10,000 perfumes, trying to decide which one I'm going to get. And this is going to give me a better way of making that decision. Okay, so I just thought I'd share that with you guys. And I'm about to go to bed because I'm tired and I'm stuffed. Yeah, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Stay wrapped in scraps. Stay loving you. Stay loving God. Stay loving life. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.